Today, we're looking at the Luna Back-to-Wall toilets. This is Caroma's most affordable back-to-wall product with the option to upgrade to the slim design, which includes a thinner but more robust seat. You can further customise this toilet by choosing one of 3 flush button colours: brushed brass, brushed nickel or black, which are all colour matched to Caroma bathroom products. With bottom water inlet and back water inlet options, this toilet is perfect for a straight replacement or a fresh bathroom renovation. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft close detachable seat, so there are no hard to reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. If you're in the market for an economical toilet with a brand you can trust, the Luna Back-to-Wall is the perfect choice.